Cassini Connect, AVENTA.
Hi, I'm Dr. Jim Schumer, ophthalmologist from Columbus, Ohio, and I had the privilege of using the AVENTA microscope over the last couple of days by a company, Surge, and super exciting for me. You know, I've been struggling with my microscope for the last actually a couple of years, and I'm interested in an upgrade. And I can tell you right off the bat, the optics are impeccable here, better than the current microscope I'm using. The really cool thing was the red reflex. It was outstanding, helped my capsulorhexis go a lot smoother. And no matter where the patient eye was fixated, the red reflex didn't change, which was phenomenal. I've worked with Mark Mayer, one of the principals in helping trying to bring this technology to market. And I've been involved with True Vision back before Alcon bought it and turned it into Ingenuity. And so I am used to using technology in the operating room to help specifically with toric guidance. And I've been using how the Cassini connects to True Vision, now Ingenuity, in guiding my toric placements. And to bypass all of that and skip to a microscope that has it packaged with that is an exciting opportunity for this company and for me as a surgeon to seamlessly drive the end results of toric placements. I'm used to doing it, but we got a couple of workarounds with the current setup and system, and just to streamline that would be super exciting. My staff was excited to see the small footprint and how easily maneuverable it was and the little amount of space that it took up. And I'm excited about moving ahead personally using this microscope. And I want to see this technology reach its full potential and just help us in the operating room nail these refractive outcomes for these demanding patients that we want. We want these demanding patients. We want to nail these post-operative results, and this is the type of technology that's going to help us do it.
Another revolutionary digital vision care experience by Cassini, the world in vision.